gonna be solving this system of simultaneous equations, and we're gonna find the values of x and y, only real, right? X and y real, only those real, right? So, and if you can look at this, guys, you can guess the solution, right? But we're gonna solve this. This is the intent of the video. So let's start, guys. I'm gonna pick this one here, which I'm gonna call first, and then this is second. So I'm gonna have x to the 9 plus y to the 9 equals 113. So I'm gonna simplify this. I'm gonna say that this is x to the 6 plus y to the 6, which multiplies x to the 3 plus y to the 3. And if I multiply this, I have to take out the product of this one times this one, which is minus x to the 6 y to the 3, and the product of these two here, minus x to the 3 y to the 6, and then this is 1. I'm not gonna keep writing this. Oh, anyways, so now what I have here, guys, I'm gonna have that this one here inside. I can write this as x to the 3, right, plus y to the 3. I can write this is square. If I want to get back to this, so I'm gonna say minus 2x to the 3 y to the 3. Okay, so now I'm multiplying this by x to the 3 plus y to the 3, and then minus this, I'm gonna factor out x to the 3 y to the 3, which multiply x to the 3 plus y to the 3 equals 1513. Okay, cool. From here, I'm gonna multiply these terms here, so I'm gonna have x to the 3 plus y to the 3. This is gonna be to the power of 3 because this one times this one, and then minus 2x to the 3 y to the 3, which multiplies x to the 3 plus y to the 3 minus x to the 3 y to the 3 x to the 3 plus y to the 3 equals 1513. So from here you can see that we can simplify this, okay, and then here we're gonna have minus 3x to the 3 y to the 3 x to the 3 plus y to the 3 minus minus nothing here, and then this is just gonna be equal to 513. I don't wanna make this video that long, guys. That's why I found this way to solve this. So guys, x to the 3 plus y to the 3 here, let's say we have that x plus y is equal to 3, and x to the 3 plus y to the 3, I can write this one here as x to the 3 plus y to the 3. I can write this as I'm gonna say this is equals to this is equal to x plus y to the power of 3 minus 3 xy, which multiply x plus y. You know, this is an identity, you know that, right? This is basic. So, and then we going to replace then what we have here, guys. Y to the 3 plus, so this is going to be 3, which is 27, minus this is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9xy, and then perfectly we're going to replace this here. So I'm going to have this one is going to be 27, but 27 here can write 9, right? 3 minus xy, right? So perfect. So now I'm going to replace this, and then I'm going to say this is then 9, which multiply 3 minus xy minus xy, right? This all to the power of 3 minus 3, which multiplies this one here is going to be 3xy, this is 3x to the 3 y to the 3, which multiplies 9 times 3 minus xy, and then this is equal 513. And then from here I'm gonna have what? I'm gonna keep 9 to the 3 here, right? And then 3 minus xy to the 3 minus, I'm gonna have 27 here, x to the 3, y to the 3, and then 3 minus xy equals 5, 1, 13. So guys, this is something we can just simplify, right? But before I keep going, I'm gonna divide all sides by 27. So here I'm gonna have 27, 3 minus xy to the 3 minus x to the 3, y to the 3, 3 minus minus xy, right? And then this is equal to, this is gonna be 19, right? So solving this, guys, simplifying these things, these terms here, this is just applying and I'm gonna say actually here xy equals to a. So I'm gonna have 27, 3 minus a to the 3 minus a to the 3, which multiplies 3 minus a equals 19. And then simplifying this, guys, we're gonna get at the end that this is gonna be a to the 4. Let me erase this in here. So we're gonna have a to the 4 minus 30 a to the 3 plus 2, 4, 3 a squared minus 7 to 9 a, and then plus 7, 1, 0 equals 0. Okay, simplifying this, and then we have this fourth degree equation. This is a complete one, and searching for solutions for this, I found that if a equal to is a solution for this equation. So I divided the whole equation by 8 minus 2, and I got that this is equal to, so if I divide by a minus 2, I'm gonna get a product, and the other thing I'm gonna get is a to the 3 minus 28 a squared, and then plus 187 a, and then minus 355, and then this is 0. So this equation here has not real solutions, okay? Has not real solutions. So we're gonna say that we're just gonna say that this one here, a minus 2 equals 0, and a to the 3 obviously minus 28 a squared plus 187 minus 355, this is 0 as well. So this one has not real solution, so we're gonna ignore it because we said we are only solving for the real solutions. And then this one here, a, let me write this a, okay? So okay, a equals 2. If a is equal to, so xy is equal to. If xy equal to, so we have a x plus y is equal to 3. So so y is equal to 3 minus x, and replacing this here, we're gonna have that this is x, which multiplies 3 minus x equals 2. And then we have here that this is minus x squared plus 3x, and then minus 2 equals 0. Multiplying all by -1, we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. And then what we get from here is that x minus 1, which multiply x minus 2 equals 0. So x minus 1 is 0, and x minus 2 is 0. So from here we get that our x1 is 1 and our x2 is 2. It means that if xy is equal to, so if x is 1, so y1 is equal to, and here if x is 2, so our y2 is equal 1. So these are the solutions. So x, y, right, we're gonna have then that this is gonna be 1 and 2, or 2 and 1. Okay, so if we want to check this quickly, we can check this, right? So well, we know that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, so 3 is equal to 3. And from here we have that 1 to the 9 plus 2 to the 9, 1, 2, 3. Is it equal? So we say 1 plus 5, 1, 2 here. 2 to the 9 equals 5, 1, 3. So 5, 1, 3 is equal 5, 1, 3. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and help me. See you next video. Bye bye.